Hello everyone, today we are here to talk to you about the ozone layer. You might be wondering, what is the ozone layer and what is it made of? The ozone layer is made up of ozone molecules, which are simply 3 joined oxygen atoms according to National Geographic's 2011 article, Ozone Layer. These ozone molecules are constantly being destroyed and reformed naturally. The natural formation of ozone happens when there is a reaction between oxygen molecules and ultraviolet radiation emitted by the sun. When UV radiation hits an oxygen molecule, it causes the 2 oxygen atoms to split up. These individual atoms are then very reactive and often combine with an oxygen molecule to form ozone. For every 10 million molecules of air, there are usually less than 3 ozone molecules. So the ozone layer is very thin, and ozone is known as a trace gas. So why is the ozone layer even important, and what does it even do? The main purpose of the ozone layer is that it protects everything living on Earth's surface, sort of like sunscreen. It acts as a shield that absorbs UV rays and prevents them from harming things on Earth's surface. It absorbs the UV rays by using the same process that I mentioned earlier. When the oxygen is split up, the UV rays are absorbed, thereby shielding the Earth's surface. Now you may have heard that there is a hole in the ozone layer. So what exactly is this hole? Well, the ozone hole is not really a hole, but a thinning layer of ozone gas. It is only approximately 3 millimeters thick, but at its thinnest area where the hole is, it is 1 millimeter thick. For reference, the normal ozone layer is about 3 pennies thick, while the hole is only 1 penny thick. The reason for this thinning is the emission of chemicals containing chlorine or bromine into the atmosphere. These chemicals are known as ozone-depleting substances, or ODS. They are harmless to all other aspects of planet Earth, except the ozone layer, where they are very destructive. In fact, one ODS molecule can break apart thousands of ozone molecules. This results in the extreme thinning of the ozone layer in certain areas, or the ozone hole. So what happens if the ozone layer is permanently damaged? NASA published an article called New Simulation Shows Consequences of a World Without Earth's Natural Sunscreen in 2009, which discusses how scientists have created a simulation showing what the Earth would be like until 2065 if ODS emissions continued to grow at today's rate. By 2020, 17% of the ozone layer is depleted globally, and the hole becomes prominent over the Arctic at all times. By 2040, going outside for 10 minutes could result in a sunburn if not protected by sunscreen, and by 2065, going outside could result in skin cancer-causing radiation poisoning within minutes. The ozone layer is important to keep our skin healthy and skin cancer occurrences down significantly. Now that we've told you about all the dangers of ozone layer depletion, we're going to tell you what you can do to protect the ozone layer. There are many things that the average consumer can do to help protect the further depletion of the ozone layer. Many of these things involve staying away from products containing ODS. Common products that would contain ODS include refrigeration units, air conditioners, and aerosol products. Moreover, the average person should regularly inspect any of the previously mentioned products for leakage, getting maintenance as necessary. Additionally, the average person can help the environment through their habits. Buying local food, eating less meat, and driving less are all behaviors that contribute much less to the pollution that causes the issues in the atmosphere. So, take care of the Earth like you would yourself.